Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of Smartsheet, one of the most popular project management tools used by teams and businesses around the world. We'll go over what Smartsheet does, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth it for beginners who are just getting started with project management. So let's start with what Smartsheet actually is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management and collaboration platform that looks and feels like a spreadsheet, but it's far more powerful. It's designed to help teams organize projects, track progress, automate workflows, and manage tasks all in one place. Think of it as Excel, but smarter, more visual, and made for teamwork. Now let's talk about the pros first. The biggest advantage of Smartsheet is its flexibility. You can use it for almost anything: project timelines, task tracking, resource planning, or even budget management. The layout is spreadsheet style, which makes it very familiar and easy for beginners who already know how to use Excel or Google Sheets. The second pro is automation and integrations. Smartsheet lets you automate repetitive tasks like reminders, updates, and approvals. You can also integrate it with tools like Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Slack, and Jira, so everything stays connected. This can save beginners a ton of time and reduce manual work. Another great feature is collaboration. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, attach files, and communicate directly inside a sheet. Every change updates in real time, so your whole team can see what's happening instantly. No more endless email threads or outdated spreadsheets. Now, a big highlight for beginners is templates. Smartsheet offers tons of ready-to-use templates for project plans, marketing campaigns, event tracking, and more. You don't have to build anything from scratch. Just pick a template, edit it, and start managing your project. But of course, no tool is perfect, so let's move to the cons. The first drawback is the learning curve. While it looks like a simple spreadsheet, Smartsheet's full functionality can feel overwhelming at first. Beginners might need some time to understand all the features, like automations and formulas. The second con is pricing. There's no completely free version, and the paid plans can be pricey for individuals or small teams. It's definitely built more for professional use than for personal task management. Another con is that the interface can feel crowded once you start adding multiple projects, dashboards, and automations. It's powerful, but not always the cleanest experience, especially if you prefer minimalist tools. Now let's talk about performance and reliability. Smartsheet is very stable and secure, even when handling large amounts of data. It's cloud-based, so your work saves automatically, and you can access it from anywhere, on desktop or mobile. The mobile app works well for quick updates, though it's not as detailed as the desktop version. In terms of pricing, Smartsheet offers a 30-day free trial, but the paid plans start at around a moderate monthly cost per user. For individuals or small businesses, that might feel a bit steep, but for teams managing complex projects, it's worth the investment. So, who is Smartsheet best for? It's great for teams that handle detailed projects, marketing teams, construction companies, event planners, or anyone who needs structure and collaboration. If you're a complete beginner, it might take a few days to get comfortable, but once you do, it's incredibly efficient and reliable. To sum it all up, the pros of Smartsheet are its flexibility, powerful automations, integrations, and collaboration features. The cons are the steep learning curve, the price, and a slightly cluttered interface. Overall, Smartsheet is a fantastic tool for beginners who want to move beyond basic spreadsheets and start managing projects like a pro. It's versatile, professional, and packed with features that grow with you as your projects become more complex. That's my honest review of Smartsheet. Powerful, customizable, and one of the best tools for anyone ready to take project management to the next level. Subscribe the channel for more videos.